According to the internet, this backpack is known one of the most organized and functional travel bags and one of the best options as a personal item for flight. So, here's my super detailed review of the Nomatic Travel Pack 20 liters. One of the most important features of this backpack is that it expands from 20 liters to 30 liters. Sounds pretty tempting and super practical, especially if you are traveling with just one bag. So, as always, I'll start with the demo packing, so to see just how practical and convenient this backpack really is. The front pocket is super practical, perfect for keeping your essentials within a quick reach, like your passport, travel documents, or anything you need for a comfortable trip. The pocket where I placed the passport as well as all the main compartments can be secured within a small lock for extra safety. As you can see, the main compartment is pretty well organized, but for me personally, I'd love a bit more space for my packing cubes, since I always use them, no exceptions. Now, let's unlock the full potential of this Nomatic backpack that turns into a 30-liter bag according to its specs. Is the additional compartment that you can use whenever you need an extra space. As you can see, there's a quick access to the main compartments, and in my opinion there's not a ton of space. However, I can still fit in my sandals and a small packing cube without any trouble. According to the specs, the laptop compartment fits up to 14 inches, but I have a 16 inches laptop. Let's check if it will fit. I also managed to fit my iPad in the next pocket. It's not perfect fit, but it's not a big problem either. Unfortunately, the bottle pocket of the backpack didn't fit a 32 ounces bottle, but it did fit a 21 ounces bottle. Now that it's finally packed, it's time for the water resistance test. Let's open the pockets and compartments and check if any water got inside and how dry everything is. And I have to say I'm really impressed because everything inside the pockets is dry and the water didn't seep through the zipper at all. The Nomatic backpack feels great on my shoulders, no discomfort at all, super comfortable to wear. The straps are also easy to adjust, making it even more convenient. And I think I found a design drawback, at least from my perspective. Just take a look. The side handles cut into the bottle compartment makes it a little awkward to grab for overhead bins or the trunk. Overall, I really like this backpack for its functionality, design, and of course its water resistance. Don't forget to check out my other videos. See ya!